If you're looking to switch career or just create another income stream, you might be asking yourself, is web design a valid path for me? Is there actually money in web design? Will I have to learn how to code? Is web design doomed because of AI? Or is there too much competition in web design? Well, in this video, I'm going to answer all of these questions, plus I'm going to tell you exactly how to know if web design is the right side hustle that's a good fit for you. Let's start with, is web design a valid path for me? A lot of people have concern that it's either too early or too late for them, or maybe they're not talented enough. Okay, so I want to tell you, as we have over 10,000 students in Flux Academy, I've seen students from the age of 16 to people over 60 who have come and built successful careers in web design. And by the way, we have just recently published this video with 3 stories of people of older age doing career transition, so you can check that out. But what I want to tell you is this. Usually clients want to work with designers or service providers their age. So young people usually like to work with young people, and older people like to work with older people. And what that means is whatever your age is, you have a segment of clients who only want to work with people your age. So you basically have your niche secured. And the thing about talent is a lot of people think, oh, I have to learn how to draw, or I have to be super, super talented. The thing is, web design includes so many different skills, right? From the visual, creative side of thing into the technical of how to develop it, into marketing and business. It has so many different skills encompassed in it that I'm sure that whatever your strong suit is, you can focus on that and you can use that to create your advantage. Some people do the whole process. Some people focus on a single part of the process and collaborate with other people. So no matter what your unique talent is, you can find how to make it work within web design. Next, is there money in web design? The short answer is yes. If you hang around on design Twitter or here on YouTube where everybody is sharing how much money they're making, you might be thinking that everybody is making tons of money and everybody is getting rich. And that being said, web design is like every other service or product business. What that means is there's usually a pyramid of a lot of low-paying clients, then there's less medium-paying clients and less high-paying clients. And usually everybody starts at the bottom working for low-paying clients and slowly work themselves upward towards the high-paying client. But here's the interesting thing. Most people don't bother moving up into the high-paying client. And that's a really interesting opportunity because the high-paying clients has less competition. And I'll exactly talk about that in the last point. So make sure you stick around. Next, will you have to learn how to code? No, the answer is we're now living in the age where quality no-code tools like Webflow and Framer allow designers who haven't written a single line of code to produce amazing high-end websites like these. Actually, building websites without code is not only easier, it's also most times much faster. And for those rare occasions where you want to create an innovative functionality that requires custom code, you now have AI tools that actually help you write the code for you. And that leads into the next question, is web design doomed because of AI? Look, I am not a fortune teller and I cannot predict the future, but I will tell you this, high-paying clients who want to have complex websites designed and developed for them are not going to sit down and prompt ChatGPT to build them a website, right? They want to hire a professional who is going to deliver the project for them. Now, will you as a web design professional have to use AI tools? Absolutely. Web design is highly technical and it's always changing, but I see a huge opportunity right now where new designers can use the new tools that are out there and manage to get results so fast and so high quality that previously only experts with years of experience were able to produce. So if you learn how to use AI tools, it can really boost how fast you can progress in your web design career. Lastly, is there too much competition in web design? The answer to this is yes. There's a lot of competition in web design because the barrier to entry is actually very, very low. All you need is a laptop and the reward can be potentially so high, right? You can make a lot of money, you can work anywhere in the world. So a lot of people are going to give web design a try. So that leads me into my last point on how to win in this highly competitive market and how to actually determine whether web design is a good fit for you. There's only one secret to winning, and that is loving it, loving your work, right? Being passionate about web design, loving it so much that you want to invest all of your free time and money in learning all of the tools and techniques and constantly pushing yourself to improve is actually the only way to win, right? Most people who get into web design, they only do this because they want to make easy money, right? And so they're going to be stuck at where it's easy, which is doing average work with average skills. Because to do an amazing job, it takes a lot of time and effort. And that's definitely not under the get rich quick that most people are looking for, right? So if you're only getting into web design because you want to make quick money or finance your dream lifestyle, my honest opinion is that it's probably going to be very, very hard, right? Because how are you going to win people who actually enjoy working harder than you? You can't. But if you fall in love with web design and you develop the passion, you will want to outwork everybody and improve your skills and then actually win. Now, the only way to know if you love it or not is to give it a try, right? We have loads of videos on this channel that would give you a chance to try it out for yourself, like this one. Check them out and find out for yourself whether web design is the right side hustle for you.